I'm sitting here with my cab driver Victor, and it's my birthday, and he's asking me if I have a woman. I don't have a woman. He starts asking me, tell me a little bit about American women.
There were a woman in America, in the small woman, 150 kilograms, is like eat potatoes. In one day, it eat potato, 10 kilogram potato one day. In 15 years, women, in 150 kilograms. In McDonald's, it's like eat McDonald's potato.
Why do you think why are Americans so big?
Because it's like oil, הרבה שמן, oil.
They eat a lot of oil?
Yes, oil, the McDonald's, the chips.
They don't eat vegetables? What do they eat for breakfast over there, do you think?
Yes. Yeah, I seen the TV in National Geographic. In America, the women like eat McDonald's, potato.
What about men? Is it just the women, or are men fat too?
What?
What about the men?
No, the men is small men. It's normal. It's not a problem.
The men are not fat? The men don't eat McDonald's also?
No. The woman is like it's my 150 kilogram. The big woman, the elephant. You know, the elephant. The woman in America is the big.
So give me some advice on my birthday. How am I going to find an Israeli woman this year? Give me some advice.
What?
איך אני אמצא אישה ישראלית?
Israeli
תן
in
לי עצה.
America?
Here. How can I find an Israeli bride? Give me some advice. כלה ישראלית.
כלה ישראלית?
איך למצוא פה?
פה זה קשה מאוד. In America it's not problem, because אין בעיה באמריקה, אבל בישראל זה קשה למצוא כלה ישראלית.
Why? What's wrong? Tell me about Israeli women.
Because it's a big problem. It's not...
תגיד בעברית.
זה קצת בעיה בישראל.
Why?
אבל באמריקה אין בעיה, because the small woman 150 kilogram go to high school, הם רוצים להתחתן מהר, צ'יק צ'אק.
Oh, they want to get married fast in America?
Yes, it's no problem. שם כולם בלי בעל, not husband, no...
And what are the women like here?
Here is the problem, here is the balagan. Here it's not lot of.
So this is the Israeli Dr. Phil. Thank you for the advice.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye-bye.
Have a good day.